Hey champions, welcome back to our journey of success. Today we're diving into the transformative world of Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book is a goldmine of wisdom on how small changes can lead to remarkable outcomes. Buckle up as we unravel the secrets to mastering the tiny habits that pave the way for triumphant life. First, let's grasp the essence of atomic habits. Clear emphasizes that our habits are like atoms, small, fundamental units that, when compounded, create significant results. By understanding and optimizing these tiny behaviors, we can unleash extraordinary potential. Key Principle 1. The Power of Compound Growth. Clear introduces concept of the plateau of latent potential. Much like the ice melting at 32 degrees, habits may seem insignificant initially, but over time they break through the surface and create a visible impact. Next, we explore the habit loop. Habit consists of a cue, routine, and reward. Identifying and understanding these components empowers us to reshape our habits intentionally. By keeping the cue and reward consistent, we can insert new, positive routines seamlessly. Delving into Key Principle 2. Make it obvious. Clear advocates for clarity in habit formation. By making cues obvious, we increase the likelihood of executing the desired behavior. It's about creating an environment that promotes the habits we want to cultivate. Key Principle 3. Stack the deck in your favor. Clear introduces the idea of habit stacking, a powerful technique where new habits are linked to existing ones. This maximizes efficiency and leverages established routines for seamless integration. Moving on to Key Principle 4. Master the art of temptation bundling. This ingenious strategy involves pairing a behavior you want to do with one you need to do. By combining pleasure with necessity, you create a potent formula for habit sustainability. Now, let's explore Key Principle 5. Make it satisfying. Clear highlights the importance of immediate rewards. Connecting positive emotions to habit completion reinforces the behavior. Remember, satisfaction is the fuel that keeps the habit engine running. Wrapping up with Key Principle 6. The 2-minute rule. Clear suggests breaking down habits into actions that take less than 2 minutes. This overcomes the inertia of starting and makes the habit more manageable, increasing the likelihood of success. As we conclude our journey through the wisdom of atomic habits, remember, success is not about radical changes, but the accumulation of consistent, positive behaviors. If you found these insights valuable, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more transformative wisdom. Until next time, keep forging those atomic habits. This is Financial Whiteboard.